Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now we'll begin with English class. Today we'll learn alphabets. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Come on, now repeat after me. Let's take a first step in with alphabet. Today we are going to learn uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? Well, there are 26 letters in our alphabet. Let's learn. So sit properly with your back straight, stay attentive and speak after me. The first letter is A. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Speak loudly. A. 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 The next letter is B. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Speak aloud. B. 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 The next letter is C. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Speak loudly. C. 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 What comes after C? Yes, it's D. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Say with me. D. 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 Let's revise. A. B. C. D. Say it again. A. B. C. D. Let's proceed to our next letter, that is E. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Speak loudly. E. 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 The next letter is F. Uppercase F. Lowercase f. Speak aloud. F. 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 After F, it's G. Uppercase G. Lowercase g. Speak loudly. G. 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 The next letter is H. Uppercase H. Lowercase h. Speak aloud. H. 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 Let's revise. E. F. G. H. Practice for one more time. E. F. G, H. Let's move forward. The next letter is I. Uppercase I, lowercase I. Speak aloud. I. After I, it's J. Uppercase J, lowercase j. Speak loudly. J. The next letter is K. Uppercase K, lowercase k. Speak aloud. K. The next letter is L. Uppercase L, lowercase l. Speak loudly. L. Let's revise. I, J, K, L. Say it again. I, J, K, L. Let's move further. The next letter is M. Uppercase M, lowercase m. Speak loudly. M. After M, it's N. Uppercase N, lowercase n. Speak aloud. N. The next letter is O. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Speak loudly. O. The next letter is P. Uppercase P, lowercase p. Speak with me. P. Let's revise. M, N, O, P. Practice for one more time. M, N, O, P. Let's move forward. The next letter is Q. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Speak loudly. Q. After Q, it's R. Uppercase R, lowercase r. Speak aloud. R. The next letter is S. Uppercase S, lowercase s. Speak loudly. S. The next letter is T. Uppercase T, lowercase t. Speak aloud. T. Let's revise. Q, R, S, T. T. Practice for one more time. Q, R, S, T. Let's move forward. The next letter is U. Uppercase U, lowercase u. Speak loudly. U, U, U. After U, it's V. Uppercase V, lowercase v. Speak aloud. V, V, V. The next letter is W. Uppercase W, lowercase w. Speak aloud. W, W, W. Let's revise. U, V, W. Say it again. U, V, W. Let's move forward. The next letter is X. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Speak loudly. X, X, X. The next letter is Y. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Speak aloud. Y, Y, Y. After Y, it's Z. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Speak loudly. Z, Z, Z. Let's revise. X, Y, Z. Say it again. X, Y, Z. Great! Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Kids, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing good. Now take out your English file and get ready to study. Open page number 129, 129. All of you have opened? On this page we are going to learn lowercase w. What we are going to learn? Lowercase w. Now speak with me. W says woo. W says woo. W as in watch. Now look carefully on the board. I am going to tell you the formation of W. Put your pencil on the middle line. Draw a slanting line till base line. Now put your pencil between the middle line and the base line. Draw a slanting line till base line. Again come to the same point. Draw one more slanting line. Again come to the middle line on the right side. Draw one more slanting line from middle till base. This is the formation of W. Now sit properly with your back straight and start writing with me. Speak and write. Draw one slanting line, one more slanting line, again slanting line, one more slanting line. W. W says woo. W says woo. W as in watch. Speak and write, children. Then come to the next column. Draw one slanting line, one more slanting line, again one more slanting line, then one more slanting line. W. W says woo. W says woo. W as in watch. W as in watch. Do your work properly and neatly. Then Come to the next column, draw one slanting line, one more slanting line, again slanting line, and one more slanting line. W. W says wo. W says wo. W as in watch. Do your work beautifully. Done. Now we are going to write on the single dot, draw one slanting line. Again one more slanting line, again one more slanting line, and one more slanting line from middle till base. W. W says wo. W says wo. W as in watch. With this I have completed my first row. Have you all completed your first row? Good job. Now come to the second row. First of all we will trace, draw slanting line, again slanting line, one more slanting line, and one more slanting line. W. W says wo. W says wo. W as in watch. W as in watch. If you have made wrong, you can use eraser. Done? Now come to the next column, draw slanting line, again slanting line, one more slanting line, again one more slanting line. W. W says wo. W says wo. W as in watch. Done? Now come to the last column. Draw slanting line from middle till base, one more slanting line, again one more slanting line, one more slanting line from middle till base. W. W says wo. W says wo. W as in watch. With this I have completed my second row. Have you all completed your second row? Fantastic. Now listen carefully. In last two rows, you will practice for writing W again later on.